Hey guys, I wanted to show you the procedure that we have for priming a pump that has become airlocked. If your pump becomes airlocked, it's not going to move any grease. And we see this often, and it's an easy fix. So every new pump that gets shipped is going to include a priming oil and a priming key. If you don't have our priming oil, you can use any mineral-based oil for this procedure. So if your pump isn't moving grease, the first thing you're going to do is take off the cartridge of grease and set that aside. You're going to take the priming key, stick it down in the grease inlet, and you're going to scoop out as much of the grease as you can reach. And this is making a channel for you to enter some of the priming oil. So you're going to take the priming oil and put it into that channel that you just dug out all the way to the top. And that priming oil is going to help get into the pump and move some of that air out. So at this point, you're just going to take your grease and place it back on the machine. And then you're going to do our standard flush procedure on the pump. So you're going to switch the dial from pump to flush, get a receptacle for the grease. You're going to click start on the touch screen, and it's just going to start moving some of the grease, air, and priming oil out of the pump. And when you see that priming oil come out and the air, and then it's fresh grease that's moving well, you can click stop. And at this point, the pump has been primed and the air and old grease has been moved out. You're going to switch your dial back to pump and click start again. And you should have fresh grease pumping through your hose.